This time on building terminology, Perimeter Termite Management System. The Perimeter Termite Management System is a termite management system which is placed either external to the building or within the structure or cavity of an external wall. A perimeter termite management system can also include a 75mm exposed slab edge. So the perimeter system is in contrast to a sort of whole of building system where you would protect the entire underside of a concrete slab.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.